You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. These two words are homophones. They are pronounced exactly the same way. In English, the pronunciation is as hears. The top word can be used as he hears a sound. Hears. It's the third person of the verb to hear. Hear something. To listen. The bottom word is the contraction of hear as. Hears, as in here's a glass of water. Hears. Both pronunciations are similar. Hears. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.